This is a very cool place here. So what we got here today, this house has been on the market for more than 80 days. The average day on market right now has gone up like crazy. I know you've seen, this is a changing market. Just the beginning of the year, January, with interest rates were still at 2% or 2.5% or so. We're seeing a complete shift. So this one, it basically is a great opportunity, I'd say. They're asking $480 for it. The reason this one stands out to me is it looks like it's an opportunity for an Airbnb or just your classic long-term rental. So $480,000, 2-car garage. It actually has 4 bathrooms and 6 bedrooms. So really nice curb appeal. So I thought this one would be fantastic, when you're looking for websites. So this is part of a subdivision. It's called Shamrock Park. Some pretty nice houses right here. This house is for sale as well. It's $430,000. This one they're listed at currently at $125 per square foot. That's about $150 per square foot. So I think this one is nicer and is better bang for the buck as well. So let's just go in, show you a couple things that stood out to me. There is some interesting painting. When you do Airbnb, you've just got to own it or change it to something nice, something else. So there's this light blue, that door was blue, and then the wood, right? You can either just own it and match your decorations to it, or we do some shifting. So we got this gigantic deck out there. It needs some weeding. You can just tell this place has tons of room. I think it's like 3,700 square feet plus. An office here, that's the downstairs. It's a nice kitchen, nice big kitchen. I mean, honestly, like you could have, a big family cooking here, a couple ladies there, a couple ladies there, dining table, TV. That fireplace is awesome. So, and I love these sliding doors. You could stick, all your lawn patio out there, and because when you're doing a Airbnb, you want to make it a destination, right? That is what makes an Airbnb earn the most, is if maybe you've got a hot tub out here or a nice little area. I mean, another thing is this is perfect. It's facing the west, so every evening, it's only 4:30, and we've already got shade over here, so it's so nice. So they don't have AC here, so they do have window units, so you could add that or not. I would do, like I said, there would be a couple things like I'd freshen up the yard. This definitely has some deferred maintenance that needs to be done. If you want to do some painting, do some weed pulling, flatten out the yard, maybe get rid of a garden or something and make it into like a pergola or a little grill spot, and then check that paint out. Oh yeah. When they painted that, I'm sure it took a while. See this down there too? Okay, first bathroom, full bathroom right here on the main floor. Laundry room, which I love this. Even in an Airbnb, I love the the storage for those. So, and that washer and dryer is included. So yeah, own that. What's up? All right. Okay. Cool little bedroom. So, and then let's go upstairs real quick. I mean, also, I love these like balconies and stuff, and this big, say, open view room is, kind of that luxury status. I love it. So this is the master bedroom. So one closet here, there's a walk-in closet there, and here's our master bathtub with the ducts and everything. So yeah, those can come off. Just gotta scrape them. So the tile's nice. Honestly, I would just paint it. So you can see, there's some things that just needs a little bit done. I mean, even I like these lights. They were cleaned up. They both had the same kind of light bulb in the middle. But these fixtures, So that's a original wood floor. Maybe I'd stain that a little bit or do something. Put LVP on top. So be a fun kids room. Chalkboard. You know, you gotta do these like fun, unique things. You know, a kids room with toys and stuff. The chalkboard. You know, like again, we want to make this Airbnb the destination. They're coming to Idaho Falls. Or coming to wherever we're investing because it's a cool place to stay. So down to the basement. It's cool and nice down here. So we got one big bedroom, second big bedroom, and a third over here. But so, I mean, this room, you know, be a great like giant bunk room. You know, put a bunk bed there, bunk bed there. You might even be able to put, you know, 3 bunk beds or maybe even more. You got 2 big closets. You know, when you're doing the Airbnb, you want to have as many beds as you can, right? So, I mean, even in here, you're going to put some beds or something, but you want them to be like the height of bed, right? Fireplace is awesome. Airbnb point. Another nice bedroom with lots of storage. Another giant bedroom. I mean, you could probably put 4 or 5 or 6 bunk beds down here. So big bathroom, and this is just you know, your water heater, and you do have 2 water heaters already set up. They're set up in the, it's called a master slave setup, so that way it's really effective way to keep lots of hot water. So check this place out, way cool. If you have any questions, I am going to be sending out a couple more of these videos for basically the properties that I'm seeing right now that would work the best for Airbnb. Also, this area, I should have said this at the beginning, but I'm seeing Airbnbs in this neighborhood, in this, you know, Idaho Falls, this many bedrooms, rent out about $150 on the low end per night to $250. So my calculations, I was did a pretty conservative number at $180, and I like to have them cash flow with 20 days of the month being rented, and at 180, I believe, even with our current rates right now, you'd be able to make this cash flow. So yeah, good luck. Let me know any thoughts. Talk to you soon.